Hi, good morning, students. I think you would be revising your different portion which I have taught earlier. Now, today I am going to take the class of 8, and the portion is in the previous classes we have studied the different portion of active and passive voice, the definition and all the rules and regulation. Now, today I am going to take about how the different active voice of different tense, how it will be utilized. Now, first is that the present tense I am going to apply. First one is simple present. In simple present, let's write down the structural formula. The structural formula after is, am, are plus verb 3. In the simple present tense, what we have said that after is, am, are, verb 3 is utilized. Now I am giving you example, you can better understand. He teaches me. I am taught. I am taught by him. In this sentence, you can see that here me converted into I is object and am it is helping verb. It is object in this sentence. Am is helping verb. Taught it is main verb which is converted into V3 form of teach. By is here conjunction and him is here, he is converted into him, it is subject. Now in the passive form you can understand that earlier I applied that according to that you have changes, but you have to keep all the formula in the mind. Second, I am giving you he helps me. I am helped by him. Here you can also see that I is changed instead of me, object, and am is the helping verb come and help the verb 3 form will be, it is verb 3 form, and by is there and him is, he is converted into him. Now the second point is that in present continuous tense, the structure formula after is, am, are plus being plus verb 3. You can better understand from this example. He is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. Cricket is being played. Cricket is being played by him. So here you can see that cricket, his object come in the first. He is helping verb being you have already applied that wherever the present continuous form being is utilized, and after that play is main verb, it is converted into played by him. So next portion is that next is present In present perfect, what happened, the structure formula is that have has plus be plus verb 3. Here you can see that in present perfect what happened, after have has been plus verb 3 will be utilized. You can better understand with example. I have finished the homework. I have finished the homework. The homework has been finished by me. Here you can see that the homework is changed into, first come in the homework, second have is changed into has, and in that way after have has been utilized. You can see that after that been utilized and finished, the verb 3 form is already there, and by me I is converted into I. So you have to keep the formula that whenever the in present perfect have has, after that you have to use been and verb 3. You can better understand the second example. He has taken lunch. Lunch has been taken. Lunch has been taken by her. In this sentence, I have said that the object is come first. The lunch has been, after that has been utilized, and it taken verb 3 is there, and by and her, the C of subject is converted into her. So you have to keep all this in mind. The next is that the present perfect continuous is not in common, so it is not utilized. Now next is that past tense. In past tense what happened? Let's first use simple past. In past tense, simple past. Simple past structure formula is that after was where, in simple past after was where, verb 3 will be utilized. I wrote letter. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. Here you can see that a letter is object here. First come it, and thereafter was, it is helping verb. Wrote is converted into verb 3 form. It is helping verb. Written, it is verb 3 form. By is conjunction here, and I, the subject, is converted into me. Just you can better understand for second example. The boy opened the door. The boy opened the door. The door was opened by the boy. From this example, you can better understand. Now I come to the next, that is past continuous. Past continuous tense, what we have seen that was, where plus being plus verb 3. In this case, you have just was, where, being plus verb 3 will be utilized. Suppose you can better understand with this example. He was playing cricket. He was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by him. Here you can see that cricket is here object, but it come in the passive form. What object come first? Was is helping verb is there, and in case of ing form, being utilized here, and it is verb 3 form. By is conjunction here, and he is converted into him.